welcome back to the Professor Simon channel on the new GoPro Hero 7 Black. I shot a little video, first one I've actually shot, because the camera only came in the mail today. So I just walked down the garden. I thought you'd be interested in some of the settings which I think really work well with this camera. First of all, the camera is amazing. I'm very, very impressed with it. It's so much better than my Removu K1, which shoots in 4K, but the GoPro lens and the color processing is just brilliant. But talking about color processing, this is how I like to set up the camera. I've gone into the presets and I've changed the color processing from GoPro, which is really contrasty, to flat, because I can do a bit of grading in Final Cut Pro in post. I've also warmed up the white balance to 65,000K for a kind of dull, overcast day. This adds a kind of a warmth to it, which again is very easy to grade and correct. And the GoPro tends to make things too sharp. It puts black edges on things, which looks okay, but I don't like it, so I've put that off. So again, I can sharpen stuff up in post. I'm still waiting for the external microphone adapter for the camera, so this is just using the three little microphones which are built into the GoPro Hero 7. I'm amazed how it works, because this camera is waterproof to 30 odd feet. How do you make a microphone that goes underwater? Anyway, I think they're you know, average. I think I'm going to enjoy having my proper personal mic when I get the annoying adapter, which you have to get with GoPro Hero 7s, because you can't plug in an external microphone without it. So at this point here, we'll just cut for a second, and this is using a twin sound system, GoPro Picture and Zoom 1 external microphone. Still haven't got my personal microphone on, but I thought it would be good for you to hear a sound comparison between the internal mics and the Zoom 1. So this is the Zoom 1 microphone from Professor Simon, and this is the GoPro microphones built into the camera. Anyway, let's go back to the earlier piece of the video. So have a look at this literally first test shot. It's not really well graded, and I've tried to put some information about how I've shot it on the screen, which might be of interest. Anyway, have a look at this. Hey, and welcome back, viewers. It's a bit of a rainy, overcast day here in southwest France, but this is my new GoPro Hero 7 Black. Let's go down to the garden and meet Dorothy. I think she's doing some weeding in the sheep's pen. So this is me going down the steps. Check out the video stabilisation. It's pretty neat. I'll just flip to the forward view. So this is me walking. So boing, 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 boing. And here's the animals in the pen. Let's go and meet Corbet. That's little Corbet. Hey, little Corbet. And back to me. Oh, who's this? It's Wallace. Wallace the goat. And here's Dorothy in the nettles. No. Corbet! Corbet! Are you little Corbet? This is Moses. Hey, are you going to come around me? No? This is Iris. Hi, Iris. Hi, Iris. Iris has a beautiful pink diamante collar. She's the mum of these little babies that are over there. And this guy here is Moses. He's Iris's baby. He's just 1 year old. And they're just little sheep. Hi. 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 I think they're all a bit itchy today because they just had a haircut. Anyway, that's life in Moulin-Nose Garden on a slightly overcast, rainy day in June. Come and visit us one day, and it'd be good to meet you. Bye.